steamed spinach bao buns or steamed buns or bao buns. This is a reel which I have already given a recipe video in the past. Here I am showing you how the same recipe can be used with various different ways of adding vegetables into your baking or your steaming, and it makes it more interesting. The flavor profile also changes, the texture also changes. So let's try and learn this together. This was actually much more smoother than the original one. It becomes a little bigger. I have purposely made it slightly bigger so that you can actually eat it with curry and not just use it as a bun to maybe create a wrap. Usual, blanch the spinach for about 60 seconds, add baking soda, salt, etc. Follow the description given in the reel video. I hope you like this, and this is something I strongly believe that someone who is new to the baking can actually try. So hope to see you, at least one of you, to bake this and tag me in the video. Have a great weekend.